So today I got here this is a 350Z muffler delete. I'm back forging now, getting ready to weld out. I got the car in the air right now over there, but I'll just take you there and show you. This is the old muffler, so basically we're coming from there and there to there to there. So basically it's gonna come, there's a flange for it, so it's gonna come from there, from here, 45 straight out. And we got some burnt tips here, and they're gonna sit about right there. These are forged 2.5 inch. So we're gonna weld the driver's side today, then I'm gonna go home because it's obviously Sunday, Super Bowl Sunday. Getting ready to watch the Eagles and the Patriots. I live in Philadelphia, so I'm a huge Eagles fan, but got them purging with my 850 Fab purge caps. Using number 20 champagne cup, purging it about, I think I'm at about 5 right now. Yeah, I turned it up to 10 for like a minute, now it's to 5, and I just got not too many joints. 1, 2, 3, I got 4 joints to do. Shouldn't take me that long, but I'll put you guys in the time lapse and let you watch. Cool. This is going to be sort of like a long process, but there's the first joint. I'll show you a few of the welds. I'm not going to video the whole thing, but that's the last piece. Let's see if we can get some color action in here. So yeah, that's basically it. I got 4 more joints to do, and then I'll bring you guys back. Alright guys, welcome back. I just finished welding all 4 joints. Let me turn my purge off. So that little piece right there took about, I don't know, 20 minutes to weld, all 4 joints. I wasted about, with the purge set, it wasted about 75 to 100 cubic feet just on the purge side, and then on the torch side it probably wasted, not wasted, but probably used up probably 100 to 100 cubic feet as well. So this is my purge right here. This is the 850 Fab caps. It's a little hot. I'll try to take it off. Let me take my purge off first. Come on, little guy. Need some pliers. No, I put these on hand tight, but I guess they got tight. Oh yeah, that looks good. Yeah, the purge looks excellent. I don't know if I can show you guys the purge in there. I might need a flashlight or something. Let me grab a flashlight real quick. All right, here we go. Can you zoom in on that right there? Yeah, that's beautiful. So that worked out awesome. There's the piece. Some of the weld is still pretty hot. I don't know if you can see that, if you can zoom in. There we go. Same with the other side. So, yeah, just wanted to share that with you guys. Hopefully you learned something. Hopefully you can use some of the tips or things I do here in your own videos. So, yeah, that's it, guys. Thanks.